Alright, this is somebody having a case of the hiccups. Uh-oh, you might be starting to cry.
No, Tadpole, don't cry, don't cry. Then she just said, oh yeah, I can feel his whole body tensing up. Oops. He's really like a piece of jelly. Don't cry, okay, Tadpole? Don't cry, Tadpole. Don't cry, Tadpole.
What's that song again?
Hmm?
The one boy.
One boy for sale was every penny. Have you ever seen?
This is the videos to send to adoption agency. Look at him yawning. You're a little cutie, aren't you? Oh, he has had everything. Oh my god. Yawning, coughing, crying, hiccuping. What other noise can you make, huh? Why is he giving you the gangster look?
I know.
He's like,
I think he's cross-eyed, you know. See his eyes.
yeah, he's just very big lah.
He's cross-eyed.
He's like, you don't want to mess with me. You want to mess with me? I'll show you. See? He's like, gangster look. Oh. Mommy loves you. Shoot.
Daddy doesn't.
Daddy is terrible.
Daddy thinks you're very tired, Tadpole.
There's Tadpole. There's Tadpole in the mirror. There's Tadpole. Okay, okay. Oh. 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 Cute. When is his hiccup gonna finish? I can feed him. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright.